So today's part 3 of our protection and reversal series. And we have done an egg cleanse. And the egg cleanse is to determine for certainty that, along with the candle divination, that you are in fact cursed. Once this is certain in your mind, you then can proceed with your next steps, which is you have to cleanse yourself, which you did with the egg. You have to cleanse your home, and then you have to put up protection for yourself and for your home. For your home, you can do this in many different ways. A great way is with witch's salt. Witch's salt you can sprinkle on the 4 corners of your home. You can sprinkle it across the threshold. Also in your windows. Now this tends to be messy. You can use regular salt for this as well. The most important thing is your intention. In addition to that, you want to have talismans hanging, your chicken foot, your witch balls, pentacles, signs of protection that have been charged with the energy of deity, the universe, whatever you prefer. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chicken foot talisman that you can hang in your home, and I'm going to be putting into it a lot of different protection aspects. It's going to be full of symbolism, and it's going to be charged and consecrated in the name of the goddess, the ancients, the elements. So it's going to be very powerful. It's going to be a very powerful talisman and very easy to make. You can buy chicken feet on the internet already pre-made. They come in as dog treats, but they're really expensive. They didn't used to be that expensive. But in recent years, I noticed that the price has gone up significantly, and I think it's because of the popularity of the chicken foot. That and inflation. But you can go onto Walmart.com and you can order a package. I ordered 2 packages totaling $6, and I got probably 40 to 50 chicken feet. It's very economical, and it is chicken feet. You know, they're kind of, if you're not used to looking at them, they can be a little bit intimidating. But overall, they've got great power in them. They are defensive and offensive. They are going to sense negativity. They're going to sense harm coming your way, and they're going to cut it off at the chase. So, I'm going to start out just by painting these a little bit. If you have not been cursed or hexed per se, it's still not a bad idea to take precautions, cleanse your home, cleanse yourself on a regular basis, and keep your wards up, keep your wards, your talismans, have them up and charged. And that alone can prevent a lot, if not all. So the chicken feet, when you get them, they're really easy to prepare and dehydrate. All you have to do is rinse them off in the sink, and then you're going to lay them out on a sheet pan. Sprinkle them with a little salt. Oven on the lowest temperature that it will go. That's usually about 150 to 200 degrees. And you're going to leave them in there for probably about a day. You just have to keep checking them every couple of hours. When they start getting almost all the way done, you want to check them, I would say 30 minutes at a time. And once you get them pretty much done, they can air dry the rest of the way. I accidentally got resin around it and I can't open it, so I had to poke a hole in the top of it. And you don't have to do these black and white, you can do them whatever color you wish. So I'm just going to wait for these to dry. It's not going to take very long, and then we'll come right back. So I just glued it together and I put this is going to be what holds it. If you tie a string around it, you'll be able to. So I just took the two chicken feet and I glued them here and here, and I think a little bit right here. This is actually one of my earrings that I just kind of popped in and put glue around it. And now I'm going to start hanging my charms. The first one I'm going to hang is, the bead in the middle is a mirror bead. And mirrors reflect back. They are very common in reversal spells. And so this mirror, along with the pentacle, which is for protection, it stands for earth, water, fire, and spirit. That's going to be the center. It's going to be the middle charm, and I'm just going to tie it on. This is Gingerbread, and she loves strings. And she's very rare because she is a female yellow cat, and they're very rare. So the next thing I'm going to put on are some bells. And bells are very protective. They're not only magically protective, but they are very practically protective because they're a warning. Bells warn us of our doors being opened. They can warn us that the wind's picked up. They can warn us that there's a fire, or they can warn us that church is about to happen. That was totally a joke. I think church is awesome, really. Okay. In addition to that, I also have the ghost bead. These are made out of animal bone. And they are for protection. So I'm going to hang these bells on here. My cats are going crazy today. I don't know what's gotten into them, but they are just into everything. They're tearing stuff up. They try to eat some eucalyptus, which is poisonous for them. So I'm probably going to readjust some of the strings, but I think it's really pretty. It's going to be really a great, powerful charm for our home to hang on the door. And it has the chicken foot protection. It has the bells for protection, the ghost beads, protection for the evil eye. It has the pentacle, the mirror. This is the keys, Hecate's keys. The keys to the knowledge, keys to the door that holds the knowledge which you seek. So it's very powerful. We are going to charge and consecrate it in the name of Hecate, the ancients, the sun, the moon, and the stars, and the 4 elements. And this is part of our protection and reversal series. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.